What's up, y'all? This is your boy Preston from Exotic Car Blacklist, and I am here to bring you another amazing video as usual. So I decided that I wanted to try to buy a muffler for the Cayenne or exhaust for the Cayenne. And I did the second, well, I didn't do it. The second cat delete has already been done on my Cayenne Turbo. So I wanted to try to bring out more noise with this beast, right? Because those Porsche owners out there or those V8 owners know that opening up a V8, opening up the nostrils on the V8, give it a chance to breathe, and you can hear the true engine the way that it was built and was desired to be heard. What I did was remove my mufflers, and I'm gonna show you guys this kind of step by step and let you hear it. This thing is a good, I'm gonna put it at a good 40 pounds. And the cool thing about taking this off, there's no cutting necessary to get this muffler off. So this right here was an easy thing to do because I want to decide on running a straight pipe back here where my muffler is.
Took the muffler loose. As you can see, the pipe stops right there at the rear axle. So I took the muffler off and I left the pipes there.
There's no cutting required again with taking that muffler off. So what I did was use my power tools and I just loosened the bolts up. It took a little WD-40 because obviously they haven't been taken off since the vehicle has been configured. So spray a little WD-40, use my power tools, and the bolts came right off. And one thing I noticed that Porsche does not weld its exhaust. It's held on by flanges. So taking both flanges off, I was able then to just remove the muffler off with no cutting. And again, I want to buy an exhaust, but I just want to know if the noise will be too much for driving my Cayenne. So taking my muffler off, I noticed that it wasn't too much noise, thank goodness. So I'm going to crank this thing up so you guys can hear it here in a second. But it made me realize then, as I said earlier, that I would like to straight pipe it. So now that the muffler is gone on here, we are going to run pipes from the rear axle or the wheel straight back to here. That's how short the pipe is, from that wheel to about there. So you want to say a leg length, right? Looking at my leg, it's a leg length. I'm gonna cold start the beast for y'all right now. So as you heard, it has got significantly quieter, of 30 to 45 seconds of rest in peace neighbor / fire breathing dragon. So now we have a tamed kitty, which is what I really like about this Porsche in general. It's not a loud vehicle, but when you hit the gas, it is loud. And I love that about it. It is ready to go when you hit the gas. So it's definitely TTG, train to go. All right, so what we're gonna do is get some in-car footage of this thing so you can hear how it sounds in the car. And I got my 360 hooked up today, so you see my GoPro hooked up there. So we're gonna get some outside video and some inside video. So guys, stay tuned, watch this video, like, subscribe, comment on this video, let me know what you think, but definitely subscribe if you want to see more, because we are transforming this thing into a road monster. So let's hop inside and go for a spin. All right, so you guys are here within and pulling out of the garage. I'm gonna crack the window a little bit. It's not terribly loud. And one thing that I love about it is it's not loud until you make it loud, meaning it's not loud until I smash the gas. Let me know what you guys think. We're gonna flip over to the GoPro now. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment. So this is gonna be your pool without being in sport mode. Here we go right now. This is no muffler. This is not in sport mode. After this light, we're gonna put it in sport mode so you guys can hear it. I have to look at the speedometer because before I realize it, This thing is already up there at 90 miles per hour. So this is sport mode right here now. You can hear the shift just changed in it. And I had to wait for the oil and the water temperature to warm up before I can obviously do a pull on it, because we're turbo for longevity. And let's see, here we go. Alright, that was a second gear pull. Alright, so we got a stoplight now, so second gear pull right here. Alright, that was up to 80. That was not wide open throttle. So just to reiterate, that was not wide open throttle. It gains speed too fast, and we're on a public road, so clearly you want to be safe with it. Quiet until you hit the gas, and then it's out. That's just the best way to put it. It's OUT. It's not obnoxiously loud. I've heard some obnoxiously loud exhausts, and this is not one of them. So again, you know, do the muffler delete. Just do it before you decide on the exhaust to see if it's something that you want to do, and then just buy the exhaust and bolt it on. There's no welding required. Just got to be bent into place, or you can buy pipes from manufacturers that's already pre-bent. So for me, I'm just gonna go get it bent into place, because I'm not paying $700 for 2 pieces of pipe. I think that's retarded. So until next video, I'm getting the pipes put on, and I'll let you guys hear what it sounds like with the pipes put on. So I hope this helped. I'm out. Peace.